Additive-X is an additive manufacturing technology company. We help engineers and innovators make what they want, when they want it. We supply to education, manufacturing, engineering companies, healthcare, defence, a big range. We were using a system that we've had in place for many years, very outdated. We needed a new business platform to be able to be more integrated with both suppliers and customers.
We did start having lots of problems with servers getting old and the system would crash, and it wouldn't just crash for a short period of time.
We're a modern company in a modern industry, so we can't go around with a 15-year-old ERP system. We needed a system that was more efficient and robust.
And then the pandemic came. It felt like the right time to make lots of changes.
With Acumatica, it's brought us out of silos. We have an understanding of each other's departments, and that's through having an ERP that's much more open and easy to understand.
You drag everything now into Acumatica. Before, it was print it off, process it, file it into a file. For all those people that want to be paperless, Acumatica is the way forward.
I liked the fact that it was cloud-based. I could see it was a product that was being constantly developed and improved.
The biggest help for the cloud is the fact that you can log on from home. That's just been a massive benefit.
In January, Brexit was having an impact. We didn't know what it would mean for customs paperwork. When it happened, we needed to be able to act quickly and comply, otherwise we wouldn't be able to ship things. The API handled it perfectly.
Acumatica's capability for different currencies makes it so easy for us.
The software can do so much, but a lot can go wrong on the project if you're not working with the right partner. I found Arcus and could tell that they'd done project management many times before.
At Arcus, we have developed a specific Acumatica methodology that is proven, and it has given us a 100% success rate on all of our implementations.
On Acumatica, everything's instant. It's so easy.
I am 100% confident in the data that gives me to make the decisions the business needs.
I get joy out of using Acumatica every day. Acumatica is brilliant.